Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start inside Lunar Client, so open it and sign in. Once done, go straight to the Friends or Social tab in the main menu. This is where Requests live. Make sure you already know the exact Minecraft username of the person you want to add and which platform they are on. You don't need extra settings yet, just be ready to type or paste their name. If you skip this, you'll waste time hunting for the right profile later. Now you'll actually send the request. Click Add Friend or use the search box and enter the exact username. Once the matching profile appears, select it and press Send Request or Add. Lunar confirms visually when it's sent. While you're here, check privacy and incoming request settings so requests aren't blocked. Some servers or linked accounts filter them. If they don't appear in results, double-check spelling, capitalization, and any nickname versus actual account name before trying again. Finish by watching the Pending or Requests tab for the acceptance. Once the other player accepts, they'll move into your friends list. You can then join their server, invite them, or send a direct message to confirm they are online. If the request never arrives or fails, check the exact username again, make sure Lunar Client is up to date, and verify your firewall or privacy settings aren't blocking friend connections. That one troubleshooting check usually resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.